This is a very famous market here and it gives you the opportunity to taste all products before buying them. And let me tell you, it is also a great place to discover some typical Spanish dishes. Come on, let's check it out. Okay, let's stop at this place. It's got a very interesting name. It's called My Attention. Let's see what they have in store for me. Hi.
Okay, here's your plate.
Wow. Do you have carabineros?
Sure we do.
Carabinero is a kind of a big shrimp. It's very red in color and its flavor is also strong. Do you come here often? Is this one of the must-visit places in Madrid?
Yeah, it is.
Which is your favorite stall here?
All of them. Croquettes, the ones with oysters. I mean, all
Where
of
are
them.
the croquettes? I want to head there. How's
over
the
there.
food here?
Actually, we haven't started it yet.
Do you mind if I try one of the snails?
Yeah,
Yeah, sure. Why
sure.
not?
Very good. Which is the hottest selling cheese over here?
Manchego.
Yeah.
Manchego is typical Spanish,
Yeah,
you know.
it's very typical. Hey, thank you so much. These might be little snacks for you, but for me it's a whole meal.
Maria, do you like oysters?
I love oysters.
Come, I'll show you the best oysters. Come with me.
Wow.
Oh,
why
come
not?
on, let's go.
Okay.
Look here. This is little fish and blades.
Gulas.
Look here, we have only the best. Don't you agree with me?
Look, I really can't say
Don't
anything
lie,
about
don't
this.
lie at all.
Oh, I'm caught.
Don't lie at all.
What is the name of your place?
Morris.
Morris. Well, you must visit Morris when you come here.
This is the only place here where you can get stuff which is totally genuine and original. Just look at her face. Don't you think she's enjoying it? Mariah, this is for you.
Cheers
Just for
to another
you.
400 years or 1,000 or I don't know how many ever.
I really don't care about that.
I think I found the stall selling croquettes. Hello. I'm told that your stall is very famous here in this market. Can you tell me what is the speciality of this place? I can see a lot of variety here.
You've heard it right. You can see there's a lot of variety here. Right now we have cod, shrimp, mushrooms, leek, squid, meat, spinach, shrimp,
Oh.
cheese and Iberian ham. Do you like it?
I want to invite all of you to see how Mariah toured Madrid on a scooter. Enjoy the show. I'm about to reach the Independence Plaza, also known as La Puerta del Alcalá. It is also very common here in Madrid that as soon as the sun comes up a little, people step out onto their terraces. And let me tell you one more thing, the best way to explore Madrid is by scooter. And I also feel that there's no better way to travel than riding a scooter in Madrid. The Quevedo Plaza has 3 mythical places which are all very famous. Besides this monument is a monument of a goddess. The monument depicts a lady who could tame horses very well. La Gran Via is the most touristy place in Madrid. This is the place that all the tourists come to see first. You can shop here, take a stroll. Besides, it is full of cinemas and theatres. Here, all the premieres and red carpet events take place. It is very normal to run into a popular celebrity here. The road we are on right now is 100 years old. It's a very ancient street and is very popular with tourists and also with the locals for their shopping and entertainment needs. And now coming up on my left, as you can see, is El Retiro.
El Retiro Park is located at the heart of Madrid. It is popular among people who come here for jogging, running, biking, skating, and many other things.
There's also another option. You can even rent a little boat, like those ones behind us. It's nice to do it with friends or even a romantic surprise. Will you please teach us? Give us some tips.
Okay.
So what am I supposed to do? Can you please tell me?
Well, see, the most important thing is that you don't get scared. If you get scared, then you will
Okay,
fall.
afraid.
I'll try.
Woohoo!
Woo!
Very good. Go. Woo!
Oh, was it okay?
Thank you so much. We'll continue our practice. Bye.